Guys, I'm back. So now we're gonna go in one of the hot point lifts. We're gonna go in hot point lift on.
Somebody's waiting for you. You need to call it.
So let's do this. Don't need to say that one. And let's see. It should come up, but I think it should come any time now. So let's see. It should come now. Oh, come on, lift. This is a hot point lift. I'm gonna play the music. Oh, hang on. Pretty. And I'm gonna stand this up on a tripod. No. And let me stand it up like this. There we go. And let's play the music. So yeah, this is a really good lift actually. And I think it. And then yeah, there we go, guys. And finally, we could get on the Victoria line and go to King's Cross in Pancras, guys. And I am gonna press pause on this. So once I press pause, we're gonna be on the platform, guys. Okay? Northbound. Here we go. Let's go to King's Cross in Pancras, guys. So let's do this. Let's see. Northbound platform 4. We're going this way, guys, okay? So let's go northbound, guys, okay? Even I've played the music now. What? Are you serious? Northbound! Another escalator. See you when we're on the platform, guys, okay? That is northbound, so let's go this way, okay? Even one has gone now, so what we're going to do now is wait for the next one. How can that be so noisy? No, that's the front. Guys, hopefully we'll be good. So let's play the music, guys, again, okay? That's the northern line, guys, isn't it? Oh, there we go. The next train's coming, guys. As you can see, it's right down there. So we're going to get on that one. If we have time, though. How on earth could this be? Okay, how on earth could this be so noisy? Well, yeah, it could be. Can I have my ear defenders, please? Let's go in this way. Could you get my earphones? Yeah. And we're gonna.
This is a Victoria Line train to Walthamstow Central. Please stand clear of the closing.
Oh no! No, can I have my earphones, please? No, can I have my earphones? So yeah, guys. So yeah, this is so noisy. Let's
The next station is King's Cross and Pancras. Doors will open on the left-hand side. Change for Circle, Hammersmith City, Metropolitan, Northern and Piccadilly lines, national and international rail services. Exit the British Library. This station has zero access.
Yeah, that's so crazy loud, guys. So crazy loud. But let's just watch this go, guys. So I'm gonna pause the music. Well, just rewind it all the way back to the beginning, okay? And let's go. I'm gonna go on when blowing my face, guys. Let's well, yeah, that's okay, guys. Let's see this go, guys. Oh, Fran, will you listen, please? Will you listen to me? You naughty phone.
Right, let's go.
Thank goodness.
Yeah. To Edgware Road?
Yeah, we're going to Edgware Road, guys. Well, no, we're going to Baker Street.
Baker Street, and then change to go to Edgware Road.
Yeah. And we're going, and the next thing we're going on, guys, is going to be the Metropolitan line. To go to Baker Street, get onto the Circle or Hammersmith or City line, guys, and then we can go to guys, could go to what's the next one? Yeah, there's really lift road, or at least, yeah, that's actually just that's an intercept.
Victoria Line, Saturday.
Well, okay, let's minus
Please, do
2.
not obstruct the doors. Please, do not obstruct the doors.
Yeah.
Keep clear of the doors, please. Please, do not obstruct the doors.
Are we going
Please, do not obstruct the doors.
that one?
Yeah.
Please,
-2.
do not obstruct the doors.
Doors open. Step aside.
Call accepted. Victoria Line, Saturday.
Well,
Keep
that's
clear of the doors,
that is the
please.
word of lift.
Interchange.
Is the faulty word of lift. And then finally we can get to the
Interchange level.
then we can get to Metropolitan, guys. But yeah, it's quite good. Good trains on these. Okay, and we have the lines. We do have the DLR and also have the London Overground. So yeah, it's quite good. Oh, let's get going down the subway, guys. Okay, so guys, we're actually now at another intercept lift, guys. Okay, let's let that lift go, and we'll go for the next one. So let's press this button, guys. Okay.
Call accepted.
There we go. That's the green thing. Goes to there, and then finally. But yeah. So also I gotta say, guys, the Central line is the most hottest line I've ever been on, guys. So yeah. Yeah, no good. Oh, yeah, it's going down, guys. It's going down right now. You can see it's coming down.
Next approaching.
Back out of the way, mate. the way. Step out of the way.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Right, so let's get in this end of it today. No, I'm going to hold the doors.
Please, do not
Let me hold
obstruct
the
the
doors.
doors.
There we go, guys.
Please, do not obstruct the doors.
I'm going to go to -1, guys.
Call accepted.
Oh, let me, guys. I forgot to say, I'm going to stand it up on the floor, guys. Okay? It's on this side. Oh my god. That is nuts.
Exit ticket 4 level.
Now let's go to the circle. Metropolitan City and Metropolitan lines, guys. Okay, so let's go there, guys. Okay. So, guys. Okay, guys. Oh, guys, we have another instant lift here. Okay, fine. Let's go down there.
This is a customer call for Jonathan Rolls. If you're on the station, please make yourself known to any member of London Underground staff. Jonathan Rolls, if you're on the station, please make yourself known to any member of London Underground staff. Thank you.
Yep, there we go, it's coming up. There's people in it. Here we go.
Step aside.
And let's go in here. Myself. And let's go down to -2. Or has this changed to like a Mila lift? I have no idea. It doesn't have any sign. It looks like it's now a Mila lift. Okay.
So, let's get into the lift.
Right, let's go. Let's go to. Yep, here we go. So, what we're going to be doing here. See? Well, Mama, can I have my phone, please?
Yeah. Which end do you want to go in?
That end. That end.
What end?
That end.
Right, come on then, let's go. Don't want to get on this one then. Get on the next one.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, here we go, guys. We're not going to get on this one, guys. We're going to get on the next one. It says a Metropolitan. Oh! No! Oh, yeah. Would have been waiting for like a very long time. Actually, let's get on this one. I think.
This is a very fast Metropolitan line train to Waterloo. The next station is Euston Square.
This one fancy it.
Again, with that and
Let's get to here. And then we'll depart to guys, we're gonna approach to square.
The next station is Euston Square. Change for London Overground and National Rail services from Euston.
Yep, can you hold this thing? Hold this up.
This is Euston Square. This is a semi-fast Metropolitan line train to Watford. The next station is Great Portland Street. The rear doors will not open at the next station. Please use other doors.
Whoa, okay. It looks like guys, we're gonna avoid from the
The next station is Great Portland Street. Change for Circle and Hammersmith City Line services via Paddington.
Find the gap between the train and the platform.
The rear doors will not open at the next station. Please use other doors.
okay, just
Find the gap between the train and the
crazy.
platform.
It's not
This
that
is
way.
Great Portland Street. The rear doors will not open here. Please use other doors. This is a semi-fast Metropolitan line train to Watford. The next station is Baker Street.
Why does it keep moving? I don't like this phone, yeah? No. Stop moving. No. Okay, this has gone wrong. This should. Okay. God, nobody wants to see us. Okay. Oh, no, there we go, guys. If you see carefully, see the next platform.
The next station is Baker Street. Change for the Baker Loop, Circle, Hammersmith City and Jubilee Line. This train calls at Wembley Park.
Find the gap between the train and the platform.
If you watch carefully, see the. Might take a second or two. Oh. You guys? Yeah, that's next platform, guys. So we're actually on the platform. Not the right platform, guys. We're going to get onto that platform there, guys. Okay. Oh my god, that's a really...
Go do a wink.
Yeah. Okay, listen guys, I'm going to do another video because I have to go to the toilet now. Okay, so see you at that bit, guys, okay?